Hello friends, now I am here to teach you again about the profit and loss, which is the part 2 of percentage. I myself Kunna, as I told you that in the first part I have taught you about the percentage, and now I am going to teach you about the profit and loss. What do you mean by profit and what do you mean by loss, and how do we calculate the profit loss percentage and or the cost price and the selling price. So let's start. Now this is profit and loss. So remember, before seeing this one, never forget to subscribe the channel or view any channel or view the full channel till the last. You will gain a good knowledge about the profit and loss and the previously in the part 1 percentage. So view, never forget to subscribe the channel. Subscription makes the channel more, encourages us to do better and better for you, and you will go on gaining the knowledge by me in this channel and Kunna Horizons. Kunna's Horizons, now starting profit and loss. So for profit and loss, the first thing which we want to know, we should know, that is the cost price. What do you mean by cost price? CP or cost price. Cost price. Cost price, the price which a person pays for a commodity is known as cost price. Is known as cost price. The price which a person pays for a commodity is known as cost price. Then number 1, number 2 is selling price or SP, selling price. The price which a person gets for a commodity is known as selling price. The third thing which we want to know, so we should know, that is number 3 is profit. So a profit is gained when the selling price is greater than the cost price. Selling price is greater than the cost price. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Next, number 4, that is loss. loss is incurred when the cost price is greater than selling price. Cost price is greater than selling price. So loss is equal to CP, cost price, minus selling price. So this is about the profit or loss. But remember one thing, what is overheads? What is overheads? Overheads is the amount a person gives after buying a good from his shop and the price which he gives to bring the commodity from the shop to his destination, or any repairing cost before the selling price, or any repairing cost before the selling price, or any other cost after buying but before selling the commodity. That is known as overheads. So always remember overheads. Always remember overheads is added to the cost price. Overhead is always added to the cost price to get the net cost price. Net cost price. So net cost price means net cost price minus selling price. Is equal to always loss. Similarly, selling price minus net cost price is equal to always profit. Is equal to always profit. Now we will learn about how we will calculate the profit percentage and the loss percentage. Profit percentage and loss percentage. So the loss percentage or profit percentage, both are calculated. The loss percentage or the profit percentage, both are calculated on cost price. So always remember loss percent and profit percent is always calculated on cost price. So to find out the loss percent or profit percentage, we have to find out the cost price always. And remember another thing, whenever we are finding out the cost percentage, loss percentage or profit percentage, then the number of items should be equal. For example, if we are taking the cost price of 12 eggs, then we have to find out the selling price of 12 eggs, then we have to find out the profit and then the profit percentage. Without this, we cannot find out the loss percent or profit percentage. If we are taking the cost price of 12 pencils, then we have to find out the selling price of 12 pencils. Then if the selling price is greater, then we are getting the profit. But if the cost price is greater, then we are getting the loss. But remember, the units should be equal. Then only we can calculate the loss percentage and profit percentage. So, loss percentage, to find out the loss percentage, the formula is loss by cost price into 100 gives you loss percentage. Number 2, profit by cost price into 100 is equal to profit percentage. Remember, while taking the cost price, we have to add all the overheads and then find out the profit or loss. Then we have to find out the profit or loss. So here remember, but if another thing, number 1, if we are having, number 3, we are having the loss percent and cost price. To find out the selling price, the formula is cost price given selling price 100 minus loss percentage by 100 into CP gives you selling price. Similarly, number 4, we are having the gain percent and cost price. To find out the selling price, the formula is $100 plus gain percent by 100 into into CP gives you selling price. For example, if the for example, if CP is given here 75 rupees, SP is given here 80 rupees, then gain is equal to SP is greater than CP. Gain is incurred. So gain is equal to 80 minus 75 is equal to 5. So therefore gain percentage is equal to 5 by CP into 5 by CP. What is CP? CP is 75 into 100. 5, 15 ja, 5, 3, 5, 20 ja. So 20 by 3% is gain percent. Similarly, number 1 example. Number 2, if SP is equal to 75 and CP is equal to 80. So here CP is greater than SP. Therefore, loss is incurred. So loss percentage is equal to loss is equal to 80 minus 75. So this is equal to 5. So this loss percentage will be here equal to 5 by 80, because here cost price is 80 into 100. 0, 0, 2, 4 ja, 2, 5 ja. So this is equal to 25 by 4%. This is the loss percent. Similarly, number 3, if loss percent is given, loss percent is given, loss percent is equal to 5%. Loss percent is equal to 5% and CP is equal to 50 rupees. 50 rupees. So here CP is equal to 50 rupees. So here SP, you have to find out the SP. Then what happens? SP is equal to 100 plus 100 minus loss percentage by 100 into 50. So this is equal to 95 by 100 into 50. So 52 and the SP is 95 by 2 rupees. Similarly, if gain percent is given, number 4, if gain percent is equal to 5% and CP is equal to 50 rupees. CP is equal to 50 rupees. Therefore, SP is equal to We have to, according to the formula, 100 plus 5 by 100 into 50. So this is equal to 105 by 100 into 50. So this is equal to 105 by 2. This is the selling price. In the next case, so these are the few examples according to the formulas which are given. You can go through it so that you can understand the formulas nicely. So next one is number 6. If cost price is equal to 50 rupees, overheads is equal to 20 rupees. 20 rupees, and then profit percent is asked. Selling price is given 80 rupees. So profit percent is equal to net cost price by profit percent is equal to profit by net cost price into 100. So net cost price is equal to 50 plus 20 is equal to 70. So profit is equal to 20, profit percent is equal to 20 by 70 into 100. 20 by 70 into 100. So that is equal to 200 by 7%. Similarly, number 7, if the cost price is given, overheads 20 rupees. So, and SP is 40 rupees. So, here also for, remember here 70 is greater than 70 is less than 80. So profit is incurred. But here for cost price, net cost price is equal to 50 plus 20 is equal to 70. Selling price is equal to 40. So 40, 70 is greater than 40. So loss is incurred. So loss percentage is equal to loss is equal to 70 minus 40 is equal to 30. Loss percentage is equal to 30 by 70 into 100. 0, 0 cancel. So this is equal to 300 by 7%. This is the last percent. And in the next case, number 8, if cost price is given 50 per rupees, profit percentage is equal to 5%. You have to find out the selling price. So here selling price is equal to 100 plus profit percent by 100 into CP. So this is equal to 100 plus 5 by 100 into CP into 50. So this is equal to 105 by 100 into 50. So 52 is 100 and the selling price is 105 by 2 rupees. Similarly, if number 9, if the selling price, cost price is 50 rupees. 50 rupees. Loss is equal to 5%. You have to find out the selling price. In this case also selling price is equal to 100 minus profit percent by 100 into CP. So this is equal to 100 minus 5 by 100 into CP. CP is 50 rupees. So this is equal to 95 by 100 into 50. 52 is 100. So this is equal to 95 by 2 rupees. So this is equal to, this is known as number 9. Now let us think about something different. Number 10. If selling price is given, with loss percentage then how will we find the cost price? In this case, selling price is equal to 100 plus 100. In this case, we have to find out the cost price. So cost price is equal to 100 by 100 minus loss percent into SP. 100 by 100 minus loss percent into SP. So let us think, if selling price, for example, if selling price is equal to 50 rupees, loss is equal to 5%. Then what will be the cost price? What will be the cost price? Then cost price is equal to 100 by 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 5 into SP, that is 50 rupees. So this is equal to 100 by 95 into 50. 5, 19, 5, 10. This is equal to 1000 by 19. 1000 by 19 rupees. Then next one is, if the selling number 11, if the selling price is given and profit percentage if selling price is given and profit percentage is given, how will we find out? Find out the cost price. So the formula is selling price is equal to cost price is equal to 100 by 100 plus profit percentage into SP. 100 by 100 plus profit percentage into SP. If, for example, if SP is equal to 50 rupees, gain is equal to 5%. How to find out the cost price? How to find out the cost price? So cost price is equal to 100 by 100 plus gain percentage means 5 into SP is equal to 50 rupees. So this is equal to 100 by 105 into 50. So 5 20 ja, 5 21 ja. So this is equal to 1000 by 21. This is the what? Cost price. So this is about the profit and loss. Now we will move towards the mark price and discount. Mark price and discount. What do you mean by mark price and what do you mean by discount? Mark price is the price also known as list price, catalog price or mark price and discount. Mark price is the price which is marked on a commodity to sell, on a commodity to sell. So market price is also known as number 1 catalog price, number 2 advertised price, number 3 list price. Discount. Always remember, discount is the benefit given to the buyer by the seller So discount percent is always calculated on market price. So the formula for discount percent, number 1, formula for discount percent is equal to discount by market price into 100. So if the market price, for example, if market price is equal to 50 rupees, discount is equal to 5%, then discount is 5 rupees, then discount percent is equal to 5 by 50 into 100, that is equal to 10%. Now, how to find out? Number 2, how to find out the selling price if discount is given. So selling price is equal to market price minus discount. For example, if selling price is equal, if the market price is equal to 50 rupees, discount is equal to 5 rupees, then SP is equal to 50 minus 5 is equal to 45 rupees. Then number 3, how to find out the mark price when discount how to find out the mark price when discount is given with SP. So mark price is equal to selling price plus discount. Selling price plus discount. So for example, if mark price is equal to rupees 50, if selling price is equal to rupees 50 and discount is equal to 5 rupees. So mark price is equal to selling price plus discount. Selling price plus discount means 50 plus 5 is equal to 55 rupees. So this is the part 2 of profit, loss and discount. In the next part, in the upcoming video, we are going to teach you something more about mark price and discount, and the formulas will be given in the next part. So in part 3, so our upcoming, wait for the upcoming video, a part 3 on percentage, profit, loss and discount. So never forget to subscribe the channel. So please, this is a request. After seeing or before seeing, just subscribe it and then go for the views, so that all the persons will get the benefit which you are getting from our channel. So with this, I Kunna from Kunna Horizon and stops the part 2 and wait for the upcoming video part 3, which will tell you about something more about the mark price and the formulas, the formula list for the mark price, profit, loss, discount and percentage.